Hey, greetings from Norway. Tonight, we are hunting for the Northern Lights. Let's enjoy this beautiful sight and learn English together. Wow, it's absolutely freezing outside tonight. I'm really glad I put on my thick winter coat to stay warm. Renting a snowmobile is the best choice. It moves fast on thick snow. The solar activity looks very strong tonight. My app is showing a high aurora forecast. We are driving away from the city. Artificial lights block the starry view. This frozen lake is completely flat. I can see all the way to the horizon. The tour guides made a nice campfire. I am drinking hot tea to stay warm. Do you know how the aurora lights form? The sun sends tiny charged particles to Earth. These particles hit the gases in the air and create beautiful colors in the sky. That is how the northern lights appear. Wow, the sky is changing colors. Bright green lights are dancing above us. The lights are moving so fast. I see purple and pink edges too. This is incredible. The view is absolutely incredible. I am stepping onto the ice for a photo shoot. My guide is taking amazing photos of me. The colorful lights fill the background. This experience is a dream come true. Do you want to witness this magic? Please comment below. I hope you enjoyed this journey and fun English lesson. Don't forget to subscribe to Wisdom Bag for more. Talk and goodbye.